welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia. I have taken notes so that way I don't ramble on or miss what I want to say. I have noticed, there have been a significant increase in my subscribers over the past 2 months. So I had wanted to take the opportunity to introduce myself to the newcomers, or the ones that had come but didn't have a chance to really know who I am, what I'm all about. So like I said, my name is Sonia. In this video, I'm going to introduce myself, talk about myself, my channel, and what my future plans are. I am a mother to 2 teenagers. At this time, they are a 15-year-old girl named Emma and a 16-year-old boy named Matthew. I live in Ontario, Canada. English is my second language. I did grow up in Europe for first 16 years of my life. So some people do pick up on my accent, some don't. I do believe I have an accent, but sometimes I say things that only make sense in my mind, maybe not to the others. But I think that's what makes my channel a little bit on the fun side, I guess. And the reason why I'm also married, happily married to a guy named John. So anyways, I am a full-time daycare provider and I run daycare out of my home. That has been my passion always. I have done this before my kids were born, and I don't see it stopping in the near future. The YouTube came about as a creative outlet. I just needed something else. And so I decided to start a blog, and in turn it came out. YouTube followed shortly after. YouTube is a bit more successful than my blog, although neither one of them are like super successful, but it is a creative outlet. I like to share recipes, DIYs. Sometimes I talk about just random stuff. I like to share travel, so that is what essentially what my channel is about. Like for my blog and my channel, I strive to give you guys motivation, cleaning motivation, organizational motivation, some cleaning tips, organizing tips, cooking tips. They're just tips that had worked for me. I am not a professional cleaner or a professional organizer or professional decorators. I just simply share things that have worked for me. So like to share some of my passions, which is travel, reading books. I love to do DIYs, so I love to paint furniture, to spruce up furniture. I love to decorate, create seasonal decor, DIYs, just really anything that's home related and family related. I also like beauty. I don't wear makeup on everyday basis, but I do love using makeup when I do use makeup, so I like to share some of that with you as well. So I might have some skincare tips, share skincare that I use, makeup that I use, products that I love, products that I don't love, and things like that. This year on my and I also love planners. So I do have some content regarding planners. I use journaling, so like bullet journals, and I also use me and my big idea, so the Happy Planner. I would love one day to try out Erin Condren, but at this time it is just by the time I get it shipped to Canada and do a conversion, it is very expensive. So, but one day I hope to try it out and share that with you as well. So on this channel, for this year, I would like to continue with a similar schedule and similar content. The schedule, so I post every single day, Monday to Friday, pretty much. Wednesdays are my off days. So Mondays are cleaning videos. Tuesdays are DIYs, home tours, decor related videos. Thursdays are lifestyle videos, so beauty hauls, some planning videos and stuff like that. And then Fridays are in the kitchen. So menu planning, sharing recipes, sharing what I had for dinner, what I feed my family, freezer meal prep, all sorts of stuff. Now, Wednesdays, I would like to share my travel videos. I've had some, if you look back at my channel, I've had some European travel, then followed by Disney travel, and I still have to finish. So I think I have 1 day left from our August Disney trip, which I will share, and then I also then those will follow by a trip that my husband and I took to Florida and a cruise. So we do some adults only Disney trip for a couple days, then we go on a Norwegian cruise. So I will share those. Now eventually those will end before I will have some other travels, unless my husband surprises me and takes me somewhere. But as of right now, we don't have anything planned as far as fun travel until July. So I might throw in some daily vlogs or weekend vlogs and stuff like that in there. But if you don't see a video come up on Wednesday, it might be just simply I'm taking a break. On my blog, I would like to kind of follow the same content as on the YouTube channel, and kind of they would support each other. Since I've had all these plans, I have decided on my word for the year. Because I do have a full-time job, I do have a full-time family. I'm a full-time mom, full-time wife. The YouTube and the blog can be full-time as well. The word that I've chosen for this year, for 2019, is balance. Why I think this is important is because it's important to find balance in everything that you do. I do believe that my success as a mother, as a wife, as a homemaker, as a blogger, vlogger, YouTuber, as a friend is based on balance. If I am putting too much effort into one, the other one will lack. Finding a balance so you can do everything, and recognizing when you cannot do everything in a balanced way, that you assess and come back. Nobody's gonna judge anybody by not doing too much or not being. I think you are a more successful person when you recognize where you need to work more, where you need to work less. So like I said, a balance. I think this will be it. I had shared some insights into me and insight into my channel, and I would like to take a moment to thank everybody who has followed me, who comments regularly, who leaves me messages. I couldn't do this without you guys. You guys have been great. It has been a great support, and I love watching all the videos that I follow, all the subscribers, all the people that I subscribe to. I love watching your videos. I think it's important to support each other, as well as people that are not content creators, to support us. Thank you so much. And if this is your first time watching this video, I would love for you to press that subscribe button and see what I'm all about. And give me a thumbs up when you like the video that you see. Make sure you press that notification button so you can get notified when I post videos, so you don't miss out on anything fun. So like I said, thank you everybody who has followed me and who watches me. I couldn't be where I am without you. Thank you. And I hope everybody has a happy new year, and I hope you all live your best life. Thank you so much.